Children learn how to make good decisions by making decisions and not just by simply taking instructions. Do you also want your child to make good decisions for a profound career? Do you want to see a leader in your child? Hello everyone, my name is Dipti Deepak. I'm founder, director and personal excellence coach at Nirmiti Academy, and today we are going to understand the importance of instilling leadership skills at an early age. We live in a world where powerful leaders are equipped to get great things done. However, we are yet to solve the world's greatest mysteries. Are leaders born or cultivated? One thing is certainly sure, that individuals of worthy character develop leadership persona with series of learning experiences. So how does your child learn leadership skills? Being a leader is a significant skill developed in school or eventually at work. As a leader, a kid will develop confidence and succeed in activities such as projects, assignments, or team sports. You might have heard a popular saying, give a man a fish, you feed him for the day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a life. Let us take this saying a little further. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a life. Teach a man to teach others how to fish, and you take care of many lives. Isn't it great? The world changes with an influential leader like these. The importance of early development of leadership skills in your child cannot be exaggerated. Parents who train their children with leadership skills at such a formative age not only give them a favorable position in their careers ahead, but also curate a growth mindset and a better outlook towards life. Let us now understand 6 super benefits of leadership skills that your child can carry for the rest of his life. Firstly, he will be able to identify his strengths, weaknesses, and talent well. They also develop a strong sense of reasoning to solve problems at hand. They know how to respond and communicate to different situations and people. Tough situations and challenges do not stay longer, but tough people do. With leadership skills, you will teach your child to pave a path through such tough spots. They not only show the ability to forge new relationships, but also learn to work with peers of different capabilities. Lastly, they develop a goal-oriented mindset at an early age. Developing leadership skills is a time-consuming affair, but a significant milestone in bringing up your children. With regular practice, you will be able to bring up an influential leader in your child. So friends, will it make a difference if your child is bound to become a leader of a nation one day? Or if they grow to build the largest companies ever with their bare hands? If the answer is yes, let us empower your children with leadership skills from an early age. For more such inspiring videos, do subscribe our YouTube channel today. Take a virtual tour of our youth leadership and personality development programs for children on our website www.nirmitiacademy.com as well. Remember, leadership matters. Take care of yourself and have a great day.